tus ojos, nos duele mucho que no estás.
So guys, Noestrucks here, and we're gonna do a step-by-step on how to take off the headliner. Yes, I poked the holes, but I messed up the lights, and I'm gonna drop down all the tips on how I messed up the first time. Gotta learn, and now I learned how to actually do it. First things first, you wanna do is take off. First things first, I'm gonna show how to do it step by step, and right here it's the same process. Just gotta pick it, and then once it's popped out a little, you push it out, and it comes out loose. Look. Hold on, I need both my hands for this. But yeah, it's something like that. And then back here, you have to get an Allen key. Take off the little head cover. Has 2 clips. You can just pop it right out. And then you take out the screw, and you pop this out. So that's what gives you clearance right here. Well, pretty much you're gonna have to take out everything that you pretty much see on top of it, even the light in the middle. You can do that on last though, so it can hold it. Then right here too, same process, all easy. And then these little things, you just pop it out. That's pretty much it. And then right here, just get a screwdriver. You can pop these out too. But yeah, I'll show how to do this one because everyone's confused on how to do that one. But that's pretty much it. Oh, and then this too just slides right off. And you can just slide it back in. So after you're done taking off the headliner, make sure you're careful with this plastic once you take. Don't take it off from the top yet. Take out the plastic from here. Make sure you wrap a tape around in every section. And then you're gonna section them. Okay, this is 400 Starlights that I got, and this is the old markings where I messed up. This was 550, but I'm like, fuck you, 4. Make it easier. So 100 in each section, and I divided by 4. So right now, let me take off the plastic, but make sure you do this before they all go everywhere, get tangled. And you don't want them to get tangled. You separate them from up there. Here we are. I took hella breaks, but I did 3 sections, which is 125 each lights, each section. And I did it in like 2 hours. Now I'm taking a break. Well, I took a break, my bad. Now it's currently 12 a.m. Got nothing else to do. I'm not tired. I'm like, fuck it. Yeah, I took a break. Started this like around 6, ended around 8:30, maybe 9, but I doubt it was like 8:30. But yeah, man, pretty much all you want to do is poke all the strings in. Obviously, make the holes on them. Yeah, that's all. To be honest, just be patient and don't rush through it. Make it take a 2-day process, 3 days. As long as just do what you're comfortable with. Don't be trying to be like, oh shit, I gotta do this now, you know. Just be patient with it. That's what I learned. Number 1 thing, be patient. Fuck, man, always happens. I get carried away. But anyways, I already started to put everything away. Let me just go step by step again. Take this off. Take this one off. Take this one with the big Allen key. Pretty much everything that's holding on top. And yeah, man. And then I'm basically done. Everything's wired. How to extend it. I do have some videos of what I'll be posting. And then I'll get back to you guys when everything else is installed and ready to cook. Some update how it's looking. Damn, bro, it's looking sick. And now I'm just clipping with the nail clipper. Shit, I never do that shit to my nails. But yeah, pretty much the red, you're trying to connect it towards your amp. The red is the positive. That one goes to your that one goes to the back positive, as you can see. And then if you're gonna connect the negative, that one goes to your ground. The black's always gonna be the ground. And the white one, if yours has a white and black, make sure the white one goes to the bat, and then the black one goes to the ground. Just depends which one the black is. The black's always gonna be negative, red is always gonna be positive. Just let you know. Yeah, and then pretty much it. That's pretty much it. You just gotta extend it if your thing's not too long, so you can have that cable in the back. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, man, that's how it's looking. Sure. Time to add some electrical tape. Got it running. I mean, the one that I cut off was, what is it called? The outlet where you plug it in, and I had to chop it off with my teeth. And then I had this already. I still have the other one. Where is it at? I don't know where it's at. But I still have the other one that it came with, but it's way too short if you're gonna extend all the way. And then you just hide the little wire through the side. Honestly, all plug and play. If you know how to wire, it's easy. Reds are positive, blacks are negative. The whites are neutral, so depends. Zero. And I am officially done with the Starlights. Yes, sir. Oh, that makes me so happy. Because last time I did it, I did not succeed. I got stressed out. There it is, and I'll show some clips how it looks at night. Yes, sir.